Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be showing you my room tour. So I'm going to give you just a sneak peek. So this is going to be like that. Okay, ready, set, go. It's going to be slower. So that was just a sneak peek of my room. And let's see if we can get this video to 100 likes at maybe 10 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you like it? If you did, you're now entered in my giveaway. Woo! So now you're entered in my giveaway. Now all you gotta do is subscribe and comment anything. And so that's pretty much it. And then you gotta just send me your address and I'll do stuff and I can look up on your Instagram and I actually might call you. I actually don't know. I actually might FaceTime you if you get the giveaway. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, and let's go. So very first, I'm going to show you my desk. And it has all my books and stuff on it. So this is my nightstand desk. This is my diffuser. I don't know if you guys know what a diffuser is, but it's this machine that you pour water into it and then you put like essential oils in it. Like right now I have lavender, peppermint, tea tree, and eucalyptus. And then in here, right here, I have all my magazines, and I really am excited to go to SeaWorld, so I'm like reading incredible sea creatures and curious about fishes, I think. Yeah, fishes. And then I have this picture right there. I don't know if you can see it. The diffuser and the camera. Right there. It really smells in here because that smells so good. That's nice. And that's my water. And then my jewelry box. This is my bed right here. This is actually really cool because look what this does. Got this from one of my mates. Super cool. And then I have all my animals back there. And then we're going to come over to this corner. And there you can see my bed. It's my bed window. We're thinking about putting a slide down here, like to where I am. And then a platform right here for like little kids. Can be under the platform and stuff. And and then we have over here, we have my American Girl dolls. We have all the stuff that I haven't opened yet for my birthday. And then this is just my chart. And then my hula hoop. And then we move over here. This is my desk. This is my seat. Under there is just stuff that I don't think I've used yet that I want to put on the YouTube channel. And then right here is my desk. So right here I have my tape, my coloring thing. This is my tooth's in here. And then in here I have my jewelry and stuff. And this one I have lotion. And then in here I have all my earrings. That's my pencil jar. This is my Rubik's Cube. I don't know if I've already said that. This is from Justice, and this is a lamp that says I. And then right here is this family photo of me. That's my money. Money, 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 money. And here is my vanity. It pulls out to the vanity. You can see my phone, can't you? But under here, it's my vanity and this mirror. Sometimes I like to do Musical.lys in it. Watch. Yeah, I love to do Musical.lys in this mirror. And follow me on Musical.ly if you can, and if you have Musical.ly. then you can just look up at Issa Rose Johnson or Issa Rose, I don't know, or Aubrey Johnson, which is my mom, and you can find my channels. Well, not really my channels, but like my photo gallery or something. And then there's this, that's from Justice. There's so many things in here that are from Justice. That's from Claire's. And then that's my Lost Ex. And then in here is just bows. And then we have in these. In here I have all my squishies. This one's kind of dirty. This one's going to be a phone case squishy. I'm going to make phone cases out of it. Super cool. Oh, and this one I have a squishy. Super cool. And then I have this bread. This one's dirty too. I have slime in here. I have notebooks and I have Falling Up. And in here I have all my makeup and all my toothbrush and all my lip gloss and all my nail polish. I have so many nail polish in there. I don't know if you can see through it, but there's a lot of nail polish in there. And then up here, I have all my books and then my big jumbo squishy. I have that picture, I have that, my lotion. I have all my Beanie Boos. That's just a bag. It says I love you to the moon and back. And that's lotion back there. And then there's 2 beanie bags. That's a doll. That's a really, really old doll. And then that's a dancing thing. And then here I have that. That's from gymnastics. That's actually 3D printed. My dad actually printed a piece that was like from here to here. It was huge. It was like really huge. And then that's from gymnastics too. And that was not my dad 3D printed that. My uncle did. Because they own like a printer that's like huge. Like maybe as big as my bunk bed. I don't know. I've never seen it, but I've seen the pieces to it. So I bet it's super huge. That's just my church thing and my rock collections back there. And then I have that purses, beanie stuff, and then that's my coloring book. That's my tooth. And that's the Live Justice thingy. That's an American Girl doll clothes, and that's my roses from my main. That's an umbrella and stuff like that. And then I have that. And then we move on to here. Oh, and these are things, they're like for this. Like this. Kitty cat. There's a binder right here, Pushy Pups. And there's this stuff over there. And this is literally my plate. I'll take it downstairs and then I'll get a snack and then I'll bring it upstairs and then I'll go downstairs and wash it and get a snack. I just eat it. This is my karaoke machine, that. And guys, look at this. I can't see, but I bet you guys can. Because my room is attached with the balcony. And over here's my shoe, that, my lamp. And then in here, I have my bathroom, sink, down around. This light's not on. That's all my bathroom, guys. That's awesome. And sink down. And then, so thank you for you guys to watch. I am very happy that you guys watched this video, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and you'll be entered in my giveaway. And guess what? A few days ago, I lost a tooth. So thanks for watching. Bye. I love you guys so much. Thank you.